Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to do a DVD unboxing of the film Becky. Here it's really hot, but I'm still going to do a review, not a review, an unboxing. I'll review when I've seen it. I know there's a sequel called The Wrath of Becky. When it's on DVD, I'll get it and I'll review it too, as well. But, yeah, okay, from the executive producers of American Psycho. 4 stars. 4 stars, 4 stars. Lulu Wilson, Kevin James and Joel McHale. There once was a little girl. 4 stars, it says reviews of 4 stars from Threat. An absolute blood-drenched joyride of a film, Kitchen 18. Island 2. Companies include Vertigo, releasing Kaleidoscope, Home Entertainment, Becky Logo 1818 DVD. Goes whatever it is. Here's the back. Gleefully brutal. Says flickering myth. Here's the pictures if you wanna see them. Here's the plot. Or if you wanna read them. Yep. Okay. All of the other details, the specs. 93 minutes, 18 for strong, bloody, violence and gore. It's been all day. I hope it comes with a slip cover, but you don't always have it. And there's a disc. It's what Vertigo releasing normally as on the DVD. But that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye. See you next video. Goodbye. Bye. See you later. See ya. See you later.